Hello children, I think you can remember we cut shapes using a scissor. Okay, now those shapes are here. Now what we cut earlier, and here one shape and another shape here. Now today I am going to teach you colors and how to use the brush, how to use a paint brush and color the pictures. Today I am going to introduce you two colors. One red color and the other one is green. Red color and green color. Now here the red one, here now look, we cut these shapes earlier. Now I am using this brush and coloring this circle in red color. What do you call this color? Red. Red color. This is red. Red color. Right? Here, red color. Red color. Here I colored in red. 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 Red color. Red color. Right? Now here, now there's a picture down here. Here, can you see the picture? This is an apple. The apple is red. This apple is red. I will color the apple in red color. Right? Here. Now I think after cutting and tearing papers, you have good hand control to color these pictures, right? My aim is for you to how to use the brush and pencil. So by now I think after cutting the papers and tearing papers, you have good hand control. Now today you learn the first color here, red color. What is this color? Red. Red. The apple here, it's red color. Red color. We'll go to the next one. Here, this color is green. Here, green color. Green color. This leaf, I colored in green. What's this color? Green. Green color. Green color. Green. This leaf is green. This leaf in green. Here it's green color. Green color. I want you to learn the colors. The first color is red and this is green. The leaf is green. Okay. The leaf I colored in green. Leaves in green color. Right. Now after cutting the papers and after tearing papers, you have good hand control. So for you to color these and use the brush properly, it's very easy for you to color this because by now you have good hand control. So you can color nicely. This color we call, what's the color? Green color. This is green color. The first two colors what I taught you, red and green. This is green. Green leaf here. Green leaf. Green leaf. Green leaf here. Green leaf. You also can color this nicely here. Now I have finished coloring green color. Now you learn two colors, red, green. Red, green. Red apple green leaf. Red apple, green leaves. Red apple, green leaf. Now we learn two colors. One red, the other one is green. Green. Okay, children. I think you can remember the colors. Next lesson we are going to learn another two colors, right? Okay, thank you for listening.